Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to try to install a desktop using the Opensuse patterns. So these are the desktop patterns in the Yast software manager or the Yast software store. You can see the patterns are there. So which desktop to install, that we need to check out. So you can see the, just a moment. So there are multiple desktops available. This is the Gnome desktop. The Gnome desktop, there are multiple alternatives. This is the Gnome desktop with X11, Gnome desktop with Wayland. So different sessions, graphic sessions are available for the Gnome desktop. You have the KD Plasma desktop base, the KD applications and Plasma, the XFC desktop, Cinnamon desktop, LXD desktop, LXQT desktop, the Sway tiling, the Enlightenment desktop, Mate desktop, the Deepin desktop. So which desktop to choose? So what we will do is we will choose something that is not available in Gecko. Let us try to install the Deepin desktop. So there is some conflict. So nothing provides the wallpaper brand SLE needed by to be installed Deepin. So the wallpaper branding is not available for the Deepin desktop. So what we can do is let us cancel this. Okay, do not install. We can try out something different. Let us go with the, if we want LXQT, no Enlightenment, which desktop we will use. Let us go with the Deepin only. Do not install pattern Deepin and break the Deepin daemon by ignoring some of its dependency. Let us try to break the dependency for the installation of the Deepin desktop and the Deepin daemon. So this daemon dependency has this wallpaper branding. So we will break the wallpaper branding SLE dependency of the Deepin daemon and try to install the Deepin desktop using the Deepin desktop pattern. Let us see what happens. You can see it here, the desktop pattern. So I think not much is selected. What we can do is we can select further applications. We can go for a full Deepin desktop. So what you have to do is you have to just select all the application marked here with Deepin. So you can see all this. Okay, so Deepin feature enable. This will enable the feature. Okay, so security team thinks that the debug and policy kit features are not secure. So what we will do is we will not enable the features of some features of the Deepin desktop. We can go with the Deepin manual, music player, screen recorder, Deepin system monitor. Deepin turbo is also okay. Voice note, Deepin wallpapers. Not Gnome package kit. Never install Gnome package kit because that will interfere with the Zyper. So don't install the package kit. Keep as is. Go with the Deepin admin, Deepin internet, multimedia. So it will install the packages for each of this section. Like example, multimedia, internet, Deepin office, Deepin utilities. That's it. So this is the all Deepin desktop packages. So we have installed this. And now what you have to do is, after that you have to accept the changes. So it will show you what is going to do. So it will also install some Plasma framework because Deepin desktop depends on some Plasma technologies. You can see it here. The Qt technology, the Plasma technology it is dependent on. So that is going to get installed. So nothing out of the issue, nothing out of way. Everything is properly selected now. You have to just continue with the installation. So I think the installation will complete successfully. I don't see any issue happening. Let us wait and see what happens. So after the installation is complete, again I will stop the video, and then in the next video we will check out the actual Deepin desktop that was installed in the Gecko Linux. So if the desktop works, then we will know that you can use patterns in Gecko Linux. So the Opensuse patterns will be proven that they work in Gecko Linux also. So we are just doing an experiment. So that experiment is 3 videos long. So in the last video we have done the complete sudo zyper update and upgrade. So the sudo zyper command is working in Gecko Linux. So there was no issue in the update and upgradation of the Gecko HWM session. And now okay, so the installation is complete. You can see 228 packages were installed to realize the Deepin Desktop in Gecko Linux. It took around 8.39 minutes to install. Install size was around 1 GB and 364.78 MB was downloaded. So now I will finish the installation here. I will stop the video here, and in the next video we will check out the Deepin Desktop that was installed using the patterns in Gecko Linux. So we will come to know whether the patterns work in Gecko Linux or not. So see you in the next video. Bye.